This assignment is just saying create an array n is equal to 3 of objects of class customer in a for loop as follows. Now this can be super easy, and that's how I'm going to interpret it. So we want an array. So we know that we are going to have an array inside of here of objects. That's great. So we have an array of objects and our size needs to be 3. Well, since it specifies we have n is equal to 3, I made n equal to 3 right here. New object, and then we're passing in n as the size. So we're not, technically we're hard coding it, but we're not really hard coding this. If we change our n, this will change as well. And it's in the customer class. So of objects class customer in a for loop. So we create an array of objects of class customer in a for loop. Now there was an example that was given about this, and that example actually shows how this would kind of work, the format for it. So it says public class customer and then public static void main. Now that part is super key in understanding this because it doesn't tell you where to exactly make this. It tells us from that picture though to make it in public class customer. And now that we know it's in public class customer, we can just do it in here. Now before this I haven't really made an array or an instance of a class inside of a class, but we can see that we can do that in here with this for loop. So we're just going to run it for the entire length of the array, which is 3 here. And then we have our array element, depending on our counter, be equal to a new customer. So this new customer means that we are creating a new instance of this and we are putting it into our array. And that's all for this code, and that's how we would go about solving for this assignment.